How are we doing, guys? You alright? It's Steve here at Don Amott Leisure and welcome to the showground. Today's video from me is of our pre-owned auto roller team 746. So a little bit about the van before we move on. It's based on the Fiat chassis. It's automatic, so it's the 9-speed automatic gearbox. It comes in at 3,650, so you will need a C1 license to drive it, but if you've got a decent sized family or you want to take grandkids, etc., it is 6-berth, 6-belt, so you will be able to take everybody with ease. It comes in at 7.47 meters long, so it's under 7.5, which is also good. So let's have a wander around it as we normally do. So starting off on the outside, previous customers left the mirror guards on, and you've also got your 16-inch alloy wheels. LPG goes into there, suitable for 2 tanks, fridge vents, and that's your power. Just there is an external barbecue point and a hook to hold things on. And then when we go inside, you'll see it is a U-shaped lounge. But because it's a U-shaped lounge, you do get a little bit of a garage that goes all the way through. So enough room for fishing gear, tables, chairs, etc., and it will go in there with ease. Round to the back, and we do have a rear reversing camera, and the previous customer has left on a 4 bike rack. So again, 4 out of the 6 of you at least can go out on a bike. More access to the garage that side, and then you've got your toilet cassette there and your water fill point there, and then there is a wet locker just down there as well. So this is also the upgraded 160 brake horsepower engine. So it's got a little bit more grunt. And then let's walk round and head on in. And another thing the previous customers left on is the Fiamma awning, also with your driveway awning rails. So as we go in, low line, so no need for a habitation step. Handle there, which I know a lot of people find useful. And let's start at the front and work our way back. So we've got Mark on the 1s and 2s today. So if the camera's steady, that's why. Starting off at the front, you've got all the normal things you'd expect on the Fiat. So you've got your Pioneer head unit, your cab air conditioning, speed limit and cruise control, USB connectivity, and then both seats will swivel round as well. And straight away you can see that they are lovely in terms of the finish of the seat. It's really, really nice. Above your head in the cab, you've got a nice big double bed with a ladder access to get up to it, so really, really useful again there. This is your dinette with your 4 travelling seat belts, so 2 that side and 2 that side, and your table, and then by night that will also turn into a good sized double bed. Television's just there, and that hides away underneath that, and then you've got decent levels of storage all under here with 3 drawers. Simple to use control panel, and again a really nice modern finish. You've got a raised unit that goes up there to give you extra worktop space. There is your 3-way fridge. In there you've got 3 gas and a nice decent sized worktop with a good sized sink. Combination oven and grill sits just under there. More storage above your head with your controller for your solar panel as well. Just there. And then you've even got like little holders for kitchen rolls and stuff like that. We'll head into the bathroom first before getting into probably the best feature of the van. So into the bathroom, nice good size shower area, and a good size area to have a wash and things like that. So it's nice that it is separate, and you can separate that out with a shower door and a bit of storage up there also. And then into probably the bit that I like the most, because it's nice and bright, it's nice and airy, it's a great place to sit and entertain as a family, but it also turns into a really, really big double bed. Loads of storage above your head, and then you've got a skylight above you to be nice and bright, and then in here you've got the television and your heating controls, which again, weirdly, normally you find that next to your control panel, but if this is where you're doing most of your entertaining and sitting at night, that's actually quite useful to have there, because you can turn your heating on and control your heating pretty much as you're there. And then finally, in terms of more storage, you've got a couple of drawers here, and then a nice big wardrobe space that has your freestanding table in there, and it's also got a max view roam box in there as well, and an iNet box as well, so you can control your heating from your phone should you need to. But you've got your wardrobe rail up there, so a decent size, and then the television's routed into there as well with your aerial in there also. So All in all, it's an absolutely lovely van for a larger family, as I say, or a family and then grandkids as well. So if you've got your C1 licence, you're looking for something that will sleep and travel 6 people, it's on an automatic, it's on a Fiat, this could be the van for you. So thanks for watching. Stay classy, Don Amott fans, and thanks for stopping by. See you later.